Fit me. Yeah. Ain't no one gonna be like me. Be like me. Look at all these beautiful shit.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good, and for today's video I'm going to share my everyday makeup routine using Maybelline's Fit Me Matte+Poreless Foundation. Also, I have used their full range of base makeup just to achieve a flawless makeup look like this. वैसे भी अगर आप मुझे लंबे टाइम से फॉलो कर रहे हो आपको पता होगा Maybelline has been my go-to brand since day one. I think this was my first ever foundation. जब भी मैंने मेकअप जर्नी अपनी शुरू की थी YouTube पे back in 2017, this was easily accessible, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte+Poreless 16-hour oil control with SPF 22 foundation. So ये जो था ये मेरा cult favorite foundation है since those days. अगर आपको नहीं पता मैंने बहुत सालों पहले इसका रिव्यू शेयर किया था, also एक मेकअप लुक भी शेयर किया था. So you can check that old video out here. मैं उसको लिंक कर दूंगी ऊपर आई बटन में. It also comes with a pump packaging जो कि पहले नहीं आती थी, but now they have just added a pump which makes it so easy to use, so easy to dispense the product. It's very hygienic, and just look how premium and luxurious it looks. And as the name suggests, Fit Me, it is going to suit across all Indian skin tones because ये 18 different shades में आता है. Yes, you heard me right. It comes in 18 different shades to choose from. Also, इन्होंने अभी 6 new shades launch किए हैं to fit the Indian skin tone perfectly. So obviously सभी Indian skin tones बहुत अच्छे से cover हो जाते हैं and helps you choose the right fit. जैसे मुझे अपना shade मिल गया है and it fits me perfectly, which is 220, my shade. Let me just swatch it for you.
Look at all these beautiful shades. Everybody welcome.
Now with that being said, let's talk about the application part now, and मैं आपको सब कुछ साथ में बताती जाऊंगी when I'm using the full Maybelline Fit Me range of products कि मैं कैसे अपना flawless base makeup create करती हूँ. So let's go ahead with the application process now. First thing first, skincare is very important before doing makeup, and I have already moisturized my face, and now it is time to use the primer. So I have the Maybelline Fit Me Matte+Poreless Primer, and it is for normal to oily skin. It contains SPF 20. It is definitely going to control the oil and also diminish the appearance of pores. It also comes in another variant that is suitable for dry skin type, which is Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Primer. So if you have dry skin, go for this one, but I have oily, so I am using this one today. As you can see, I have taken this much quantity for my face as well as on my neck. It helps your makeup to last for 16 hours and बहुत ही अच्छा primer है ये. By the way, just by blending it, it has seeped into my skin so well that I know my makeup will last longer. Primer मैंने apply कर लिया है and my skin feels so smooth and soft already. And now it's time for my foundation. And this is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte+Poreless 16-hour oil control with SPF 22 foundation. मैं इसको अपने back of the hand पे ले रही हूँ and I'm going to apply this much on my face. मैं half and half आपको करके दिखाऊंगी कि ये कितनी अच्छी coverage देता है. Also, it feels so lightweight on the skin. It is buildable coverage. So if you are not happy with the first layer, you can definitely go ahead and build it up to your desired coverage that you want. It's time to blend, and I would say that ये बहुत easily blend होता है. Very easy to blend this, and you can see how well this fits me. Not at all cakey and बिल्कुल भी oily नहीं feel हो रहा है. You can clearly see the difference in this side and this side of my face.
Ain't nobody gonna be like me. I'm gonna be.
With the before and after in front of you, look how it fits my skin perfectly. So I have applied the foundation on my full face now, and you can see the natural coverage that it gives, and also it is feeling very lightweight and skin-like on my skin. अगर आपकी sensitive skin है तो भी आप इसको use कर सकते हो because this is non-comedogenic. Well, अगर आपको नहीं पता कि आपको अपने लिए कौन सा foundation का shade select करना है, then आप Maybelline की website पे जाके उनका जो ये feature है Foundation Finder, which is a virtual try-on feature, वो आप यूज कर सकते हो. And this is an amazing technology that helps you to identify the right fit of foundation that will suit your skin. Now after foundation, it's time to apply a concealer, and I'm going to apply the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. मेरा जो shade है इसमें which is 25 medium, under eyes पे लगा लूंगी, and जहां जहां भी मुझको थोड़े से pimple spots दिख रहे हैं वहां पे इस concealer को apply कर लूंगी. Time to blend it out. एंड इवन इस कंसीलर की भी बहुत ही एक नेचुरल सी कवरेज आती है. सो आपको जो भी इम्परफेक्शंस दिख रहे हैं जैसे ब्लेमिशेस या रेडनेस या डार्क स्पॉट्स वगैरह, सो जस्ट अप्लाई दिस कंसीलर एंड ब्लेंड इट. योर स्किन विल जस्ट लुक फ्लॉलेस.
Look at all these beautiful shades. Everybody welcome. All right? Okay.
एंड यू सी दैट कितना अच्छे से ये फिट मी कंसीलर मेरे स्किन पर मैच कर रहा है, गिविंग मी अ मोर इवन कॉम्प्लेक्शन. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू सेट एवरीथिंग एंड फॉर दैट आई एम यूजिंग द Maybelline Fit Me Matte+Poreless Powder. इसमें जो शेड है which is 220 Natural Beige. This is also suitable for normal to oily skin. इसमें जो स्पंज आता है मैं उसी से ही इसको यूज करूंगी एंड यू विल सी कि कितना अच्छे से ये मैटिफाई करता है स्किन को. यू कैन सी कितना अच्छे से ये ब्लर आउट कर रहा है मेरी स्किन को एंड इट इज गिविंग अ पोरलेस फिनिश. इट इज ऑल्सो गिविंग अ लॉन्ग लास्टिंग shine control. So guys, I did my full makeup, just kept it really simple with a pop of color, and to be honest, this has been my current favorite routine and it has been my all-time favorite routine, by the way, using all these Maybelline Fit Me products. I absolutely love this foundation and it has been a consistent part of my makeup routine. Can't just do without this. And अगर आपको भी ये सारे products लेने हैं, then do check out the link given in the description, which I think you should definitely get your hands on these products just to get a flawless base makeup. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Do not forget to subscribe. Also follow me on my Instagram handle. I will be seeing you next time in another video super soon. Bye guys.
Be like me. Look at all these beautiful shades. Everybody welcome, alright? Okay. Ain't nobody